smell and you look at things and you go, I need to change this, I need to modify this, and you can. But in baking, it's more empirical, it's more chemical. You've got to make sure that ratios and everything are correct. Otherwise, what happens is, once you commit that thing to the oven, once it goes in, there's no backing out. Okay? You can't back out. So, one of the things important is measurement. So, I want to prove a point here. This is a white whole wheat flour. It's unbleached, and it's quite heavy. It's quite dense. Okay? So, I'm going to give you a bag, and I'm going to each give you a cup. Right? And I want you to measure into a bowl 2 cups of flour. Now, we're going to show, I want to just kind of prove a point about, when you're baking, how important it is to be kind of careful about what you got going, okay? Okay, so I've got a little digital scale here, okay? And I'm going to turn this thing on, and I'm going to zero it out. And I'm going to do this in grams, not in pounds, but in grams, just because it makes it easier to prove a point. Terry, you are perfectly at 300 grams. Okay? Now we have 2 cups here, and Tracy, it's 262 grams. Okay, still 2 cups, but one is 300 and one is 262. Now, let me show you the way to measure. So, what you do is you pour out as much flour as you think you're going to need, and you whisk the flour just like this, okay? You whisk it, and all you are doing is aerating the flour. You are simulating the same thing that you would do if you did it in a sifter. Now, I'm going to take a handy dandy little scoop, and I'm going to go like this. Okay? And I've aerated the flour, and now what I'm going to do here is level it off. Okay? Here is my 2 cup measured the way that you need to do it, and that is 222 grams.